Women's seamless bras, you guys. I found the most perfect, soft, breathable, great to the touch, and good support and lift bra, you guys. Let's unbox this. I have some that I'm going to show you guys that are different colors. As you see on their website, they have multiple different colors to pick from. Top tier quality bra. Why not? Why not give up the wire, the disc, object pointing in you that's not healthy, and give like a wireless free push up padded bra that is extremely soft and comfortable. Like, I can sleep in this. This is so nice, well designed, made. It's not digging in my shoulder whatsoever because they make it a nice width. And if you're wearing a certain type of top, you can push it back and it's not going to fall off. That's one great athletic bra. You can wear it everyday wear, or you can wear it in the gym. So it's multitask. This one specifically, because it's higher, a factor that I love about their unique one-of-a-kind bras, that the quality is all there. Here's one close up, you guys. I just want to show you how it's well designed, stitch free, and this is going to last a lifetime. The quality and how it's well crafted, you guys, this is taking it to the next level. This, you do not bleach it. Yes, it's 55% rayon, 45% elastic. This is a size small. I'm wearing a size medium. It doesn't wrinkle. It's just perfectly well designed. I even like that it comes with, I'll have to show you guys. It comes with like this extension. It comes with this extension that you can extend your waist. So this is like the perfect bra. Like if you're pregnant, you can extend it, or after you have the baby and you don't breastfeed that much, this is a great bra. Like I said, it has the great paddings that hide in this little secret pocket right here that is like seamless. And you can change it, you can double it up if you prefer more padding. And this is a must-have. Like, this is so extremely beautiful and nice quality. So let me show you the other colors and the other styles if you like something more with a deeper cut, like I do, because I like to show some cleavage sometimes. I'm going to show you all the different ones. One great feature about this bra, you guys, look how smooth it is. You do not see, the areola, the nipple, or whatever. It doesn't penetrate through it at all because the padding is well designed just perfectly. Look at that cleavage. This is the nice like curved V-neck that I love because it shows just enough cleavage, but it still gives me the support I need, and the straps are still so well designed and thick and wide. I love it. What a great bra. What a great bra. It gives me the push-up that I need, and it really shows just enough. Definitely a luxury bra, and extremely soft and comfortable. I'm gonna unbox the other ones for you guys just to show you the different colors and how it comes in the mail. It's very fast shipping, and they come like in cute little boxes like this. Perfect little holiday gift. These are sold on Amazon right now, Amazon findings. So you're gonna just see the little open tag. You just pull that up. Got a nice taupe color, and that's a whole different design. I'm gonna show you guys that one too. and a really great white. You can never go wrong with the white. They come just rolled up, wrinkled free. Again, I'm wearing a medium. The one I tried on earlier was a small, and this one is a small. This is the classic design. So it's not too low, but it's not too high. So I'm gonna try this one on for you guys too as well. I do like this one because, as you see, the straps are adjustable on here. And this one, they're adjustable more in the front, just like the classic bra. So it's easier to get to adjust it. This one has the 3 prongs. Some of them have up to 4. And this one also has the extension. Now, when I tell you guys soft, this is extremely buttery soft. So soft. All right. What do you guys think? Do you love it? I want to know what you think about this type of bra. If you haven't switched to a wireless bra, you need to, for your own health, for your own good, for your own support, and it just makes you feel happy, and it just still gives that same vibes of like Victoria's Secret quality bras. I mean, it still gives you what you want. Just give it a shot. Give it a try. It doesn't hurt. All the links are down below, you guys, of every bra, the size, the color, everything. And you gotta go on there now because they're going very quick. Like, their stock is very low. They did really well for their holiday sale they had around Thanksgiving. I think they have some more sales coming up for Christmas and New Year's. So definitely make for sure you catch out that sale. If not, I might have a discount code down there for you guys too as well. And this is the classic one. As you see, it's right there. It's so priced, so right. I mean, this is a really good quality. Let me show you the back of this one. I went a little bit tighter, and you see how it's not forcing any fat like to come out. It's very smooth, flush. If you wear a tight fitting dress, it's still going to look lovely on you. One last color that you guys had a peek of, but you don't know like the style of how it's gonna fit. And then you can find the perfect match and the perfect one that's gonna like work. All right, you guys, this one has the classic size. It's not like really wide, it's the classic strap, but this color is giving luxury. Now, keep in mind on the box that they have warm tips, you guys, and I'll just read some of the warm tips. So it's definitely hand washable is recommended, or you can put on gentle cycling in your washing machine. Everybody has newer washing machines, so just put on the gentle cycle, and look at that. Now, you can return or exchange, but you have to protect this box. Like, don't have it all damaged and raggedy, you know what I mean? Like, give the stuff back nicely if you are wanting to return it. And that is hard to find for like a high-end luxury, like lingerie line to like just automatically return it. Some places don't return like underwear or even swimsuits. So that's great that you're able to actually return this just in case if it's not the right fit or if you need to go bigger or smaller. I did try a couple mediums and I tried a couple smalls. I prefer the small. Yes, the small fits me perfectly. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you like try hauls, I have plenty more. See you guys next time.